Good morning, guys. Who's in class? Chicos, buenos días. Good morning, Liz. Muy puntual nuevamente. Vamos a esperar un minutito a ver quién más nos acompaña en la clase del día de hoy. Rodrigo, Eric, Kevin, Leo, buenos días. Hoy me van a ver un poquito oscurita, ¿eh? Pues no importa, lo que importa es que vean bien acá en la pantalla. Váyanme diciendo si se ve bien, si hay que mover algo. Hola Ramón, buenos días. Hoy vamos a tener una clase bien cortita, porque ya el tema es muy cortito. De hecho, muchos de ustedes ya me enviaron el Let's Practice. Pues quiere decir que sí recuerdan la clase. Hola Katia, buenos días. Voy a limpiar un poquito la cámara. Uy, a ver, un momentito. Muy bien, creo que ya quedó ahí. Hola Gael, buenos días. José María. Hola Orlando, buenos días. A ver, chicos, ¿no se escucha bien? Porque hoy veo que ahí Katia está diciendo que su sonido algo así. Ok, Rodrigo, muy bien. Sal y vuelve a entrar. Ok, muy bien. Vamos a darte un minutito. Sí se escucha, ok. Ah, Rodrigo, muy bien. Ok. Bueno, antes de empezar la clase, sí, Jimena, hoy no me voy a poder ver muy bien porque escogí el color verde y cada vez que pongo un color muy claro en la pantalla, mi imagen se distorsiona un poquito. ¿Ok? Sí, Kevin, ahorita empezamos. Sí, es algo así parecido. Ok. Muy bien, bueno. Good morning. Today is Thursday, May the 14th, 2020. Y antes de empezar la clase, chicos, quiero recordarles los pasos que debemos de seguir para entregar nuestras evidencias. Number one, copy all the information from the PowerPoint presentation in your notebook and solve the exercises. Esto ya lo tenemos bien claro. Tenemos que copiar nuestras notas. Sí, pon los subtítulos, Rodrigo, la mayoría me escucha muy bien. Bueno, como les decía, el paso número 1, yo creo que ya lo tenemos bien claro, es copiar toda la información de la presentación de PowerPoint o las diapositivas que yo te indique, ¿sí? Y resolver los ejercicios ya sea en tu libreta o el Let's Practice, ¿ok? El siguiente, take pictures of your notes, tomar las fotografías de tu libreta, de tus libros, de lo que me vayas a enviar. Number 3, este es el paso más importante, chicos, porque ese es el que en el que algunos me están fallando. Attach them in trabajo en clase of today's assignment. Me siguen enviando correos con las fotos. Acuérdense que es por Google Classroom. El día de hoy me voy a estar dedicando a mandarles retroalimentación de los que no tengo fotografías, ¿ok? En Google Classroom. Okay, so today we're going to start with section number 2, okay? Last class we were in section number 1 of math. Today it's going to be section number 2. We're going to start with section number 2. And it's about multiples and factors. Today we are going to talk about the multiples of a number. What is the objective, or what are the objective of the class? To review what is a multiple of a number and to identify multiples of a number. Okay, we have multiples. What is a multiple? During a relay race, 4 athletes from the same team stand 100 meters apart, ready to receive a baton. The baton is like the stick, okay? The baton is like the stick when they give each other when they are running, okay? The first athlete is a point 0. And it says, mark on the number line where each athlete will be stand. If we go back to the problem, it says during a relay, 4 athletes. So we already know that we have 4 persons, okay? Now, at the same team stand. They stand 100 meters apart. So we have to put these 4 athletes in this numeric line, okay? So the first one, where should it be? A ver, chicos, vamos a enfocarnos en la clase. Ahorita les contesto preguntas sobre Google Classroom. Ya empezamos con la clase hace como 3 minutos. Okay, so we have to place these 4 athletes in this numeric line. So where is going to be athlete number 1? In what number? If you see it's 0, 25, 50, 100, 125, 130, we are skipping the numbers from 25 to 25. So what is, or where am I going to put the first athlete? Can you tell me? In what number? Anyone? We have to get this athlete ready to start the class. I mean, to start the race. Okay, so we need to place them in the correct number. What is the first number for the first athlete? Give me 1 second, guys. So tell me, what is the first in? Brandon, very good. Katia, very good. The first one should be. Good morning, Victor. Okay, the first one should be in 0. Where you will place the second one? Where are you going to place the second one? We already placed the first one at 0. What is going to be the second one? Victor says 100 meters. Kevin, 100 meters. Let's see. 100 meters. What about the third one? What about the third one? 50? No, Jimena. Look at the pattern. 0, 100. Where should be the third one? No. Not 125, no. Who is Marisela Martinez? 200, very good, excellent. Let's check 200. And the fourth one? Okay, Rodrigo. And the fourth one? The last one, where it should go? 300, very good. So these are the places where the athletes should be in the race, okay? Now let's go with the next. How we came up with these numbers? 0, 100, 200, and 300. It says, what number should be used in each operation to find the location of each athlete? So, athlete number 1, 100 times, what number should be multiplied by 100 to get 0? What number should be multiplied by 100 to get 0? Good, Katia, 0. Let's check. Very good, excellent. So if I multiply 100 times 0, what should be my number? What should be my result here? 0, excellent. Excellent, very good. Who was that, Eric? 0? Okay, let's go with athlete number 2. What number should I multiply by 100 to get 100? What number should go here? Should go here to get 100? 100 times. Very good, Victor. Very good, Katia. It should be 1, not 100, Kevin or Jimena, because if I multiply 100 times 100, I'm going to get 1,000. Okay? Very good. Now, let's go with the next one. Athlete number 3. What number should I multiply times 100 to get 200? What is the number that I need to use to multiply here to get 200? Very good, number 2. And the last one, to place my athlete number 4, what is the missing number here to have 300? What is the number that I'm going to multiply to get 300? Very good, Kevin, 3. Excellent. So, these are the numbers that are going to help me to place or to confirm why I place my athletes in this order. Okay? Now, let's go to the next question. I have athlete number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, right? Okay, so can you tell me, do you remember what was the distance for athlete number 1? How many meters? Or Claudia Hernandez, is that you, Nadia, right? Okay, let's see. Where did we place athlete number 2? Good morning, Nadia. Glad to see you. Kevin, excellent. You got all the answers already. 100, 200, and 300. Very good. Okay, now let's remember, let's see what is a multiple. Okay, it says a multiple is a number that can be divided by another number with no remainder. Remember that the remainder is the amount that we have on the bottom of our division. So if we want to verify or confirm if we have a multiple of a number, when I divide my number, I should have a 0 here, okay? And it says, for example, 6, 12, and 24 are multiples of 3. Why? Because if I place here 6 and here 3, if I divide 3 and 6 by 3, how many I'm going to have here on the top? Jimena, remember that you already should have these notes in your notebook. So you are just following me in your notes, okay? Okay, very good. It should be a number 2, okay? And how many should I have here on the bottom? Okay, number 2 is on the top, but here on the bottom, what number should I have? 0. Very good, Jimena. Very good, Lisette. It's a 0. So that means that it is a multiple, okay? Because meanwhile, I have here a 0. That means that it's a multiple, okay? It says, example, the first 9 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, and 108. So that means that all the results of a multiplication table are multiples, okay? For example, can you tell me what are the multiples of the number 2? Give me 5 multiples of number 2. Can you tell me? Give me 5 multiples of number 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Very good. All these 5 numbers, guys, if we divide them by 2, we're going to have a 0 remainder. Okay? Now, can you tell me 5 multiples of number 10? 5 multiples of number 10. 20. You're missing 4 more. 20, 40. Excellent, Lisette. Excellent. Very good. Excellent. So I'm very good. Now, can you tell me 4 multiples of 33? Give me 4 multiples of 33. 1,000, no. 66, 99. You have 2. You need 2 more. 66, 99, 120. You need 1 more, Katia. I said 4. Lisette, 66, 99, 120 and 32. You need one more, one more. And remember, guys, that the multiple, it's going to be the same number as well. For example, the multiples of 12, 12, it's a multiple, okay? So when somebody asks you multiples of a number, you mention the number as well. For example, if I tell you, tell me multiples of 3, the first multiple is 3. 3, 6, what else? 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay? So the first number itself, it's a multiple. Okay? Okay, now let's practice here. I have, it says, calculate the first multiples greater than 0 for each number. I have 5, 7, 17, and 40. Tell me the first results. What are the 5 multiples of number 5? Remember that you should start with the same number. So the first number is 5. What are the other 4? We are with the first one, multiples of 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Remember that you should start with the number itself, okay? Now, multiples for number 7. Multiples for number 7, guys. 7. Jimena, very good. 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. Excellent. Multiples for 17. 5 multiples of 17. Five multiples of 17. 17, 34, 41. What else? 17, 34. You need 3 more. Not 41, it's 51. Remember that you have to multiply, guys. Not 58. The multiples for 17, 17, 34, 51, 68, 85. What are the 5 multiples of 40? The last one, multiples of 40. 40, 80, 120, 160, and 200. Excellent. Very good, Lisette and Jimena. Excellent. Very good. Very good, Victor. So, to close the class, What is the multiple? The multiple is the result of all the numbers of the multiplication tables. Remember, when you are going to divide the amount, you have to have a reminder 0. If you don't have a reminder 0, that means that it's not a multiple. Okay? Any questions, guys, so far? Very good, Katia. Now you got it, right? Excellent. Okay, so if you have any questions, remember that you can find me in Google Classroom, okay? I will be available from 8:15 to 1:15, okay? Now, okay, now tomorrow, guys, very good, Rodrigo. Yes, I received your email. Okay, guys, tomorrow I'm not going to be in class, but you have to do some questionnaires that I am going to post in the Google Classroom, okay? Mañana no vamos a tener, mañana, sí, porque me le atravieso a la pantalla, por eso me veo bien. Ok, a ver, chicos, bueno, lo importante aquí es que vean la presentación. Para cuando ustedes llegan aquí a la clase en vivo, ya deben de traer sus notas, ¿sí? Ya deben de traer sus notas. Ahora, fíjense bien, el día de mañana yo no voy a estar en la plataforma, pero va a haber trabajo para ustedes, ¿sí? Va a haber unos como repasos que hay que contestar y que hay que entregar el día de mañana, ¿sí? Entonces, para que como quiera chequen la plataforma el día de mañana. Ahora, volviendo a lo del tema de Classroom, me preguntaba Katia que por qué ya no voy a recibir o por qué no estoy recibiendo las fotografías. Sí, Katia, algo así parecido de lo que hemos visto desde que regresamos de vacaciones. ¿Por qué no voy a estar recibiendo cosas por correo? En la plataforma de Google Classroom, cuando yo meto los nombres de ustedes, Google Classroom me crea una carpeta, ¿sí? Con todas sus cosas. Es como las cajitas que teníamos arriba de los cubis, ¿se acuerdan? Donde ahí iban poniendo todos sus trabajos. ¿Sí lo recuerdan? Entonces, cada uno tenía su cajita, ¿sí? Entonces, Google Classroom me hace lo mismo. Cada uno de ustedes tiene su cajita o su carpetita dentro de Google Classroom. Entonces, cuando tú contestas ahí y me mandas tus fotos, yo ahí tengo tu expediente y tengo todos los trabajos que me has mandado. Pero si tú me mandas fotos a la, ¿cómo se llama? No, Jimena, pon atención. Y si ustedes me mandan las fotografías al, ¿cómo se llama? Al correo electrónico, yo no tengo manera de sacar esas fotos y meterlas a tu carpeta en Google Classroom. No puedo hacer eso, ¿sí? Entonces es por eso que es muy importante que todas tus evidencias me las mandes en tu sección de tareas, ¿sí? Para adjuntar, ahí pones todas tus fotografías y me las mandas y así queda todo en tu expediente, ¿sí? ¿Sí me explico? Ahora ya resolvimos la duda de por qué tenemos que mandar todo a través de Google Classroom. Muy bien. Bueno, entonces, esta fue la clase del día de hoy. Voy a estar ahorita conectada en Google Classroom por si tienen alguna duda y espero que me manden las fotografías de sus libretas junto con su Let's Practice para poderlo calificar. No, Jimena, era un ejemplo nada más. Eso es hasta el final. Ya cuando vayas por todas tus cosas que se acabe el ciclo escolar. ¿Ok? No te preocupes por la cajita. El proyecto, ¿qué tiene el proyecto, Katia? El proyecto lo tienes que entregar hoy antes de la 1:15 de la tarde. De hecho, ya he recibido proyectos. Muy bien. Bueno, entonces seguimos en contacto por Google Classroom, ¿ok? Los veo, chicos.